Welcome back to Neutron Tech. In today's episode, we're heading to Vietnam's bamboo forests to check out an incredible project by the creator behind Wild Beauty Off-Grid channel. She's building an entire house from bamboo, all natural materials pulled straight from the land around her. Before any hammering or digging happens, there's a crucial first step: finding the right spot. Our builder has chosen a location tucked away in Vietnam's dense bamboo groves. It's humid, it's teeming with life, and it's both a blessing and a challenge when you're trying to build something that'll last. She walks the ground carefully, studying every detail: the gentle slope, the thick layer of fallen leaves, those massive bamboo stalks shooting up everywhere. Everything about this spot works in her favor. The canopy overhead keeps things cool, the forest itself acts like insulation, and she's got water and building materials within reach. But she's also got to think about what could go wrong: rainwater runoff, whether the soil can hold weight, and how the structure will hold up against humidity and tropical storms over time. Not just any bamboo makes the cut. She's looking for poles with specific qualities: the right shade of deep green, thick rings, evenly spaced nodes. These characteristics aren't just for show, they mean the bamboo has the strength to handle weight and pressure while standing up to constant dampness. Here's where things get interesting. No concrete, no glue, no modern shortcuts. Instead, she's using packed dirt to hold the bamboo posts in place. It might sound basic, but this technique has worked for generations in Vietnam, and it keeps the environmental impact practically zero. The house won't sit directly on the ground. It's going up on bamboo stilts sunk into those hand-dug holes. Raising everything up like this isn't just tradition, it's smart design. Now comes the detailed work. She starts by stripping away bamboo's outer layer, which is covered in a natural wax. That waxy surface repels water, sure, but it also stops anything from sticking properly and prevents the bamboo from drying out evenly. With the outer layer gone, she measures and cuts each piece to fit exactly where it needs to go. Traditional bamboo construction usually depends on clever joints and rope bindings to hold everything together. Working with bamboo's round shape means accepting what it does well and what it struggles with. Sure, bamboo handles pulling forces like a champ, but that smooth tubular surface, it's not doing you any favors when you're trying to lock pieces together just by friction. But when you get the segments to fit tight enough, gravity does most of the heavy lifting. The roof isn't just there to look good, though it definitely matches what you'd see across traditional Southeast Asian buildings. For the staircase, thick bamboo sections become the support legs, with pieces running horizontally and locked together through carved slots and tongues. Every joint gets hand-shaped to match its partner, then pinned or nailed down wherever extra grip is needed. The entrance door is built entirely from bamboo lengths, stood up side by side, and braced at angles with nails, hammering them together. Where the door meets the wall, everything's been notched out so it locks in tight. The frame gets a round opening drilled straight through, sized perfectly for the door's main post to spin inside it without wobbling. One clever addition is a railing that doubles as a planter system. Long bamboo stalks get sliced open lengthwise and gutted to make shallow channels, then fixed along the porch's outer edge. Pack them with dirt, toss in some plants, and suddenly you've got living greenery woven right into the structure. To fill those planters, clay-heavy mud gets scooped straight from a stream nearby. It's stuffed by hand into each bamboo section, creating a dense growing medium that locks in water and gives roots something substantial to grab onto. Off to the side of the main building, another bamboo frame goes up, this one dedicated to grilling and meal prep. It's basically an outdoor kitchen that expands what you can do with the space. Now things get interesting. It's not just about putting pieces together anymore. It's about how you slice the bamboo itself. The angle, depth, and style of each cut directly shapes whether a piece will support weight, last through weather, or serve a specific role. When you slice a bamboo stalk straight down its length, you end up with semicircular pieces that work beautifully as troughs for moving water, rain gutters, or even makeshift garden containers. Press these halves flat while the bamboo's still flexible and moist, and suddenly you've got wide bendable sheets perfect for walls, floors, or exterior cladding. She starts the roof construction above the new outdoor cooking space. Her approach involves splitting thick bamboo poles perfectly down the middle. This gives her matching trough-shaped pieces that work really well when you layer them one over the next in a shingle pattern. Each hollowed piece acts like a natural rain gutter, directing water downward and away from what's underneath. The way they nestle together, one fitting snugly into another, creates both protection from the elements and a built-in drainage system. She switches to a method that keeps the bamboo's curve intact, while still delivering a reasonably flat working surface. The result is lightweight material that's great for floors, roofs, or walls in smaller structures like this outdoor cooking shelter. There's a trade-off though. The slimmer, more pliable strips have a tendency to split open, particularly once they've lost moisture or if you put too much weight on them, so she's strategic about where everything goes. Next, she covers the base with a compressed layer of natural materials. She places medium rocks around the outer edges of the bamboo deck first. The stone border keeps everything contained while also acting as a heat-absorbing barrier that can handle high temperatures. With the rock ring set, she packs the interior space full of compacted dirt. She spreads the soil by hand until it's even throughout, creating both insulation and a fireproof base where flames can safely burn. What comes next is a water purification setup made completely from bamboo and materials found in nature. She starts by choosing and preparing substantial bamboo sections. After cutting each piece to size, she drills coordinating openings that let her connect them sideways using thinner bamboo dowels. After securing the upright columns in the earth below the platform, they're set to be loaded. Each hollow bamboo chamber gets filled with a particular natural substance that serves its own purpose in cleaning the water. The bottom layer uses black charcoal, an incredibly effective material for trapping contaminants, eliminating smells, and killing harmful microorganisms. Next up is a layer of small stones and gravel that handles the heavier lifting. Water flows through this packed bed of aggregate, and anything solid enough to get caught does bits of debris, sediment, whatever made it past the first stage. The last section holds fibrous material, probably coconut husk. This stuff catches the tiny particles that slipped through earlier. There's also less oxygen here, which keeps bacteria from taking over. Gravity pulls the water down from the top, and what comes out the bottom spout is clean. No pumps, no moving parts. It's a surprisingly capable setup that mirrors how commercial filters work, just built entirely from natural materials. There's no power source, no chemicals dumped in, and if something needs fixing, you use your hands. She's not done making the place more self-sufficient. The bamboo walls get another upgrade. This time, she carves out sections of the poles to create planting pockets along the exterior. Each hollow gets filled with dirt and prepped for seeds. It's the same concept she used on the porch railing earlier. Now she's shifting focus to food production. The open ground around the structure becomes a vegetable plot. She works the soil by hand, turning it into raised rows that are even and ready to plant. To keep animals out, she builds a fence from thin bamboo strips. These are peeled down to a consistent size, then arranged in an overlapping pattern. Some run straight up and down, others cross diagonally over them. The woven grid is strong without being solid. Light and air pass through easily, but bigger creatures stay out. Each panel gets attached to vertical bamboo posts already driven into the ground. Everything is lashed together with flexible bamboo fiber, which works perfectly while it's still fresh and pliable. This whole operation is the work of one incredibly skilled builder. She runs a channel called Wild Beauty Off-Grid, where she's shown again and again that she knows how to work with primitive methods. More than that, she understands bamboo in a way most people never will. Not just as a building material, but as something alive. What she's built on her channel really speaks volumes about her expertise and passion for creating spaces that work with nature, not against it. She takes materials straight from the environment and turns them into structures that actually function beautifully. Whether she's carefully choosing which bamboo to harvest, figuring out how to connect pieces without modern fasteners, setting up water systems, or working out where plants should go, there's real thought behind every move. It's clear she understands how these materials behave and how to make them work together in ways that last. Watching this whole thing come together has shown us something bigger than construction techniques. This is what it looks like when someone commits to living lightly on the land. What started as raw bamboo is now a space that works, looks incredible, and doesn't fight against its surroundings. Thanks for watching this deep look into building with bamboo. We'll catch you in the next one. Keep exploring, keep learning.